Good morning, everybody. We are here at La Fortuna Catarata, the La Fortuna waterfall. That is the La Fortuna waterfall. Lots and lots of water. We are in rainy season. So in order to get down to the actual waterfall itself that you can swim in, you have to take these steps, and there are 500 steps to get down and 500 to get up. So down and down and down we go. Pretty densely, heavily forested area here. We are in the jungle. Some things to keep in mind when you're traversing through the jungle: bug spray. Doesn't matter what kind you use, just put some on, because the mosquitoes and the biting gnats and biting ants and all the things, they're for real. We have walked 400 steps so far. We have about 100 left to go. We are almost to the base. Just a few more steps and we will arrive at the base of the waterfall. This is the river that the waterfall feeds. Right over here. No, there's no lifeguard on duty, so we can't swim right now. We have arrived. So we have figured out that the best time to come is when there's nobody here. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are the only people walking these trails, walking this stairwell, and checking out that amazing waterfall. You just never know what kind of wildlife you're going to encounter when you come here. Definitely not your average chicken, but I'm guessing it's a chicken. Down this way you access the waterfall, and usually there's a lifeguard on duty that will allow you to swim. So right here you can see where the waterfall feeds this river. You can swim down in that river just a little bit further downstream. So here we are in this beautiful river. A little bit more calm than the waterfall that's feeding it up there. And again, look, there is not a soul here, just us. So come early on a weekday, don't come on the weekends. We are now leaving the waterfall, and we're going to start our hike up that 500 steps. And that's what like the first 50 steps looks like. Well, we made it up 100 steps. Only 400 more to go. You can hear all the cicadas. We are 220 steps in. We still have a lot to go. This is what we're looking at here. And it just seems to go on forever. We have finally made it back up to the top of the waterfall. And now we're gonna go maybe check out some orchids, or maybe the butterfly exhibit. We have decided to take the butterfly trail. Check out that leaf. It grows like a tuber.